Hey there and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name's Ariel. I'm a zero-based budgeter and I use the cash envelope system. On this channel, I'm sharing my journey to becoming debt-free, along with how we budget both a salary and server income, and what we're learning along the way. If any of that interests you, feel free to subscribe and let's get into this video. As some of you guys might know, on my Instagram, me and my boyfriend just took a trip this past weekend and it was so much fun. We went to go visit my best friends from college and their little baby was turning 1 year old, and so we got to go celebrate her birthday with her along with her birthday party. It was so much fun, and I honored enough was able to take her photos for her first birthday, so it was such a good time. And so today I'm talking about what we planned and what we spent on this trip. Usually most of our trips is going to go visit them, and it's because they only live 3.5 hours away. We can stay with them, and where they live is actually a pretty fun place, so it's definitely an easy trip for us. I mean, we just drive there and it's just nice. However, on one of these trips we never full-blown budgeted out what we're planning on spending, and so this time around it was like, well, my boyfriend, he actually didn't have any form of a budget at all, whereas for me, I have a travel savings that's just been accumulating over the years, and that's what we've usually used for just our different travels and such. But this time he just didn't have anything accumulated at all. So if you guys go look at not like the last video but the video before, it's a budget my boyfriend's paycheck with me, you'll see that in there we had just a random travel budget pull, and it was because he made enough to where we were able to pull just $200. So our planned total was supposed to be $400, so $200 from each, because we just figured 400 seemed like a good number. We weren't going very far. We knew we were going to be gone for a couple days. And so to break that down even further, we had different categories. Like I had different categories planned. I took my usual envelopes with me, and so it was just supposed to be groceries, gas, miscellaneous, fun, and eating out. And so what we planned for each of those. So groceries was supposed to get $40. Gas, 100, it was 50 there, 50 back. Miscellaneous was also going to get 40. Fun was going to get 60, and then eating out was planned for $160. So total, $400. So before I actually get into the actual, I do have a surprise happy mail opening. So let's go ahead and get into it. So if you guys remember, a couple of videos ago, I did a binder tutorial, and I had made a comment on there saying that I didn't have a form of a holiday binder, and that I just have in my sinking funds wallet just a holiday envelope, and that at some point I would love to get into breaking down each holiday and like them having their own categories and budgets. I got reached out to by Tear Bear Budgets, and she so kindly said, I have a holiday bundle that I would love to send you. Like, would you love to receive one? And I was like, yes, like that's so sweet of you. And so in my hands I have a holiday budget binder. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. I am so excited. Here is our package. You guys are about to see me struggle because I don't have scissors on me. Taryn, I'm so excited. I'm thank you again for sending this to me. Here we go. Oh my goodness, how cute. Okay, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, I love this. So this is my first clear binder. So when she reached out and I saw that her bundle came with a clear binder, I was like, wait, I don't have one. Oh, I'm so excited. And I love this thick strap look. I think it's so cute, and I love it so much. So she has this in pink, blue, and gray, I believe is all the colors. And of course, you know, I had to go with gray. Me and my non-color self. So, okay, let's go ahead and get these envelopes in. Look how cute they are. I'm so excited. Oh, it's a cat with a lightsaber! What? Taryn, that's so cute! Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Wait, I'm gonna have to show that to my boyfriend. He is going to freak. That's so cute. Thanks, girl. How adorable. All right, so Here we have Valentine's Day, Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day, 4th of July, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. Oh, she gave me something else. Aw, that's pretty. Breathe and release. She gave me a dashboard. How sweet! Oh my gosh, and these feel great. Her and I were talking like envelope quality and stuff like that, because honestly making envelopes is quite intimidating to me, so like I totally understand, but these feel amazing. The inside also feels fantastic. They're vellum. I told her to surprise me, which kind of fun. I just knew I wanted gloss since all my other envelopes are matte, and so I just wanted something a little bit different, but I told her to surprise me with the font, and then I forget why, I think she needed my opinion on something. Oh, we were talking about, like, again, how intimidating envelope making is, and so she showed me the ones that she sent me, and so she did this font, which honestly, I'm really glad, because I just, again, I'm not much of a colorful girl, I'm not much of a girly girl, so just plain basic fonting colors is so for me, but the cursive font that she has as well is super pretty. It might be actually what is on this one, so for her cursive one, she might be able to correct me. But oh my goodness, these are beautiful, and I'm so excited, and so is this. Thank you. Okay, let's put it in. Let's get the full effect. Oh my goodness, here, I'll just put this in the front, like I said, for like a little dashboard. And there we go. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. I cannot wait to start using this. I do plan on using, like, breaking down my holidays more once I just kind of get more out of debt and stuff like that. So, I mean, I do have a goal for all of that, which I'm quite excited about. So, but having this to like get me excited and like make it so I can't wait for it, like I'm thrilled. So thank you again, Taryn. Again, her Instagram is Tara Bear Budgets, and she's been such a sweet person, and I've loved getting to know her, and her and I think talk almost every other day at this point, and she's just so sweet. So I'd highly recommend checking out both her Instagram and her shop, and just checking out what she's got, because she's got really cute things right now. She's got these like holographic kind of glittery envelopes that are blowing up. They are so popular because they are so cute. So I'd highly recommend checking her out, and thanks again, Taryn. You are so sweet, and I cannot wait to show this to my boyfriend. How cute is that? I love it. Maybe, okay, you guys tell me, should I put it on his budget binder? Because his budget binder is blue, but like most of the envelopes are like green. So now to find out what we actually spent. So again, the planned amount was $400. We spent $535.76. So we were almost $150 off budget. And I'm actually relatively okay with that. When we go visit these friends, we don't really have much of a game plan. So I didn't mind we were over budget, because we didn't really have like a full-on plan, because my planned numbers, they were literally just, what do I think we're going to be doing? And so it wasn't like thought out logically or anything like that. It was kind of like, if we do like a day of cooking, because the last time we went and visited them, I went ahead and made them a dinner. So if I was planning on making like a dinner for them again, or if me and my friend were going to cook together, like I wanted to make sure that we had money for groceries, or even if my boyfriend was like, we should get a couple things just to make sure that we have food there and stuff, like just something. It just, again, just didn't end up happening. So it wasn't something that was planned. It was just like kind of more of a what if, or maybe we will type of thing. And so just to break it down further, groceries we spent nothing on. We spent nothing in the $40 groceries. It just was reallocated, clearly. Gas, we did stay 100, so we spent $50 there for gas and then $50 back for gas, and so it worked out great. Again, miscellaneous was $40 planned. We spent $61.83 on miscellaneous, and I'll tell you why I came to that number, because I actually didn't know what to put under miscellaneous. So tell me this, what category do you guys put road trip snacks under? Do you put it under groceries, miscellaneous, eating out? Like, where do you put that? Because I put it for miscellaneous, because I didn't know where else to put it. For all the OGers that remember my trip to Florida back this past October, I had a $700 budget just for myself. We took a road trip there. It was my mom's 50th birthday, and I definitely stayed within budget. But even for that trip, I couldn't figure out where to put the road trip snacks. I want to say I think I pulled it out of groceries, just to say, like, because I think I did actually go to the grocery. Oh, that's what I did. My road trip snacks for my Florida trip, I pulled it out of groceries because I went to the grocery store before and portioned out my snacks so that I knew how many calories and protein and stuff like that I had every time I ate a snack. And so just so I could be consistent with my nutrition on the road trip. I didn't really buy too many road trip snacks outside of that. And like I said, I pulled out of groceries. But when you guys are buying road trip snacks, do you like make its own category? I think making its own category would be fun. But I also feel like it'd be another overspent category. So I think having it miscellaneous just made me feel better. So miscellaneous, we were over budget by a little over $20. Fun money though, we spent nothing on. Not that we didn't have fun, we had a ton of fun. We just didn't like go do something like Topgolf or something like that, you know, like went out and did something. Like we went to this really cool like free like art gallery thing and stuff like that. So like all the fun things that we did, we didn't find ourselves having to spend money on like fun for it. So it was another reallocated category, which leaves us to eating out, because so far 100 plus 61.83 is only $161.83. So for our eating out budget, we spent $373.93. We went above and beyond. I knew we spent quite a bit for eating out. I just don't know how we got that far. Well, I kind of know how. So we just, you know, we overspent, and it's okay. We had a great time. We had great food. The food was wonderful. The coffee was wonderful. I got 2 almond croissants while I was there. I'm a happy gal. I will say that me and my friend, we had a conversation, since they do have a new baby and money's just kind of tight all around the board. We did have a conversation of maybe like the next time we come out, we do start kind of having more of a game plan and stuff. Like, you know, do we pick out what we're gonna do throughout the day, and then what days we might eat in versus eat out, or like which meals we're eating in versus eating out. Like I'm a foodie, she's a foodie, so like we can go ham on like eating out, but you know, with them and a baby, me trying to pay down debt and my boyfriend trying to save, you know, it's just one of those things where it's like, if we could have a game plan, like we might actually stay within our planned budget a little bit better. But I'm not gonna like be too mad at myself this time. Like I'm not mad at us. We had such a fun time and it was such good food. It was really good food. We had sushi twice. My heart was content. So that's how we went over budget. I have been debating about if I should do the same thing for my California trip, even though I think I'm gonna kind of be in the same mindset. My plan for that one is, I believe, 500, even though I don't know how I would allocate it or categorize it. So I don't even know what me and Matt friend are doing. So maybe her and I need to come up with a game plan so I can like kind of put this into place. But yeah, it's just kind of hard sometimes with those, I feel like small, like kind of quicker road trips where it's like, we're just going to go here for a couple days and then we're back. So, but that one I am doing solo, so we'll see how that one goes. So yeah, that is the breakdown of our trip, plus some happy mail in the middle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that I can do more breakdowns of our different travels and stuff in the future. My boyfriend and I, we enjoy traveling. If you guys saw my last video, there was a question in there that asked like, if you had an unlimited category, what would be 100%? Travel, without any question, no hesitation, travel. I just enjoy traveling. So, but if I could do better about traveling on a budget, then we might actually get somewhere. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, I'll leave all of Tear Bear Budget's links down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!